Okay, let us make the sensors, the 4 sensors. Basically the touch sensor, the water level sensor, and then the moisture sensor which you use for the plant water monitoring, and of course the rain sensor. So we're going to make this 4 sensors. So this is it's a general purpose PCB which has got the stripe. The connections are made across the PCB also. So I'm using this kind of PCB and I'm just marking it out. So because I'm going to make all 4 from this, so I need to cut the PCB. So I'm just marking it out. So now I marked it, so I need to cut it. I just need to use a knife, paper knife, you can use it, and mark it. Then after that you can just break it. Now it's marked it. I can just see this. It comes off like this. So you can see I made 5 pieces. These are 2 small. This I'll use for the touch sensor. This one for the rain sensor, rain water sensor, and this one for the plant water moisture level sensor, and this one I'll use for the water level sensor. I just wanted minimum 4 lines here, right, for the water level sensor. Minimum 4 lines here so that I can have the 3 levels of water and 1 common. And this only I need only 2, so I just taken 3 straps here. Okay, so this I'll just use for the water plant moisture level sensor. And this is the rain sensor. The every alternate line I can use for the 2 electrodes. And these 2 are the touch sensors. So it's same like the other one, just 2 wires I need to connect on this. I need to clean the edges, so I'm just using a file. So I cleaned all of them. But no, it's not requirement, but only thing is that look and feel should be good, so that's why I just polish the sides. So now this is the one what I'm going to use for monitoring the moisture level in the pot. So he made it a bit of verge type, right? So I can just clean that edge also. Now this can easily go into the pot. This I am going to make the water level sensor for the water tank. So the 3 levels are to be detected. So if I keep all through, all the lights will be on all through. So I don't want that. So I'm just going to break it. Right? So leaving about 3 of them here, I'm just removing the. So if you remove it, this this line won't be through. It's only this part only way connected. So remove. You can use separately. Use this part separately. Now you can see this. I just made some cuttings here, so that otherwise what happens is this foil is connected through and through. So the entire thing will be, the line will be like breadboard. The entire thing will be one line. So now I've broken in between that metal coating. I just broken it. So now this part 1 is not connected with this. Okay. So each line I can use separately. So I just made it in 3 segments. This one I'll just keep it like this in the water tank. So this will be the bottom, the red level, and this will be the middle level, and this will be the top level in the water tank. Okay, so the one I'll use as a common, that is a positive. The other one, the feedback will be taken through. For the red one, that is the bottom level through from here, and for the mid level from here, and for the top level from here. Right? You need to connect it and connect the wires which needs to be connected to the circuits. So we'll do that. We made small connectors. This actually cut from the wire only. I just kept one portion of insulation between and stripped off both ends. right? Small pieces. This I'm going to insert in for interconnecting the points here. Right? The alternate lines I interconnect with the wire. See, I'll insert like this. This is the alternate line. So the middle one I just left, and this I need to solder that I'll do secondly. Now if you see, these three lines become single one. So I'll tap from here, and similarly the other two I'll interconnect here and tap from there. So that becomes, so when you touch here, that becomes a resistive touch key. For the rainwater sensor, actually I'm going to use, we can use the every alternate ones we can interconnect, but the little bit of water there, so it can give false alarm. So to avoid that, I'm just taking every fifth one, interconnecting every fifth one. So giving a gap in between like this. If I use this one, the next one I'll give it to the other line, right? Like this one I'm using, this I'm not using at all. The middle one I'll use the other line. Next, okay, I connect like this, right? So this is the common one line. Okay, this I'm going to use as a common. Okay, this line. So that all I just interconnected at this point to put a jumper, connected it here, from another jumper to here, and it comes here. So I'll take the taping from here for the common. Now the interwiring for this probe has been done. Okay, so this is the water level. So from the bottommost point, one point is common, it's going. Other point, one point I taken to this is a red wire, water level it sends. And from the middle, I taken to this wire will be the yellow one, right? And from the top it goes to this one, this will be the green. So here it we'll take the green wire, yellow, red, and this will be the common. Now we need to solder these points, right? So you should be very careful while soldering. So as a young student, maybe 8th or 9th year old, you're not supposed to do it. You should take help from others, right? See, this wire is soldered. Similarly, I'll solder the other end, right? Right. So similarly, he'll solder this end also. See, we just connected two wires here. So now we are going to solder that. This is the rain sensor. So there also I connect the two wires. Now we are going to connect the water level sensor. So this is the common I am connecting a blue one. So common point I am soldering a blue wire, and next one is red. This is the red wire, that means the top water level, right? So I am using a red wire so that you can connect to the circuit without any confusion. Next one is the yellow level, right? So I connected the yellow wire as well, soldering the green wire. So the green wire is also soldered. So we have all the sensors here. This is our touch sensor. So you can touch here, this is touch at these surfaces, it will work. So we have, this is a water level sensor. So these are the terminals, this is common, this is the red level, yellow and green. This is the rain sensor. So two terminals coming here, you can connect to circuit. And similarly, this is a plant water moisture sensor. So you can connect this to the circuit.